In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create on-demand backups in Cloudways. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger a fresh snapshot of your application, so you have a safe restore point before updates, migrations, or any major changes. Start by logging into your Cloudways dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions for the server and application you want to protect. Once you're in, you'll land on the main control panel where you can see your infrastructure and apps at a glance. Next, head to the section labeled Flexible and choose the server that hosts the application you want to back up. If you manage multiple servers, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one by checking the server name, region, or any labels you've set. Picking the right server ensures the backup targets the right environment. On that server row, look for the globe icon, which represents applications. Click it to open the list of applications running on this server. This view helps you stay focused on the apps tied to that specific server, so you're not sifting through unrelated projects. Now select your application. If you have several, verify you're opening the one that matches the domain or label you recognize. Remember, an on-demand backup here is application level. It captures the app's files and database as they are right now, giving you a reliable restore point for this specific project. Inside the application dashboard, locate the Backup section and click Take Backup Now. Cloudways will queue the backup and begin creating a snapshot behind the scenes. There's no need to name the backup manually. Cloudways timestamps and manages it for you, making it easy to identify later if you need to roll back. Finally, wait for Cloudways to finish the backup. You'll typically see a progress indicator, and the duration depends on your app's size and current server load. Larger databases and media libraries can take longer, so be patient. For the most reliable results, keep your browser tab open and avoid starting heavy deployment tasks during this process. When it completes, you should see a confirmation or a new timestamp showing the latest backup. This means you're covered with a fresh snapshot you can restore from if anything goes wrong. That's all there is to it. Log in, choose your server, open applications, pick the right app, take the backup, and give it time to finish. With on-demand backups in place, you can make changes confidently knowing you have a clean, recent restore point ready to go.